If you like the bold flavor of red peppers, green peppers, and purple onions, then this dish is for you. This recipe makes a great side, but in my opinion, it can be the main dish. Southwest style fried rice. Let's gather the ingredients. 1 cup of red peppers, a cup of green peppers, 1 cup of purple onion, a 1/4 cup of cilantro, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 4 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of cooked chilled rice. So let's begin by adding oil to a pan and cook on medium heat the peppers, onions, and the minced garlic until the peppers are soft enough to your liking. Now for the fun part. Let's add the chilled rice. It's important that the rice is chilled because with any fried rice dish, you'll be working with rice that's already been cooked and you're going to cook it a second time. Add a little more oil, add all the ingredients to the rice, and turn the heat up to medium-high. Begin chopping and stirring until everything looks consistent. And lastly, add the cilantro and mix it again. And that's basically it. You're done and this dish is ready to serve. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Your support is very important to the channel, and to help us grow and go, hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.